Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone camera focus on both the subject and the background, so you can control the depth of field and really get the look you're going for. This applies to both photos and videos, and I'll walk you through each method to get your camera to focus just right. Let's dive in. First, if you're taking a photo and want that classic portrait effect where the subject is sharp and the background is blurred, open up the camera app and select Portrait Mode is specifically designed to focus on the subject while adding a beautiful blur to the background. To make sure the camera knows exactly where to focus, simply tap on the object or person in your frame. This will adjust both the focus and the exposure for that area, making it the clear center of attention in your photo. If you'd like more control over focus, especially if the scene has changing light or movement, use AF lock feature. Just tap and hold on the screen where you want the focus, and you'll see the focus lock on that point. This is great because it won't adjust if something else enters the frame, keeping your chosen subject perfectly focused. If your iPhone has dual or triple cameras, you can also adjust the background blur by changing the f-stop value. Tap the F button in portrait mode and choose a lower f-stop for more blur or a higher f-stop for less. This gives you the flexibility to make the background more or less pronounced, depending on your style. When it comes to video, certain iPhone models also have a cinematic mode, which works similarly to portrait but for moving scenes. With cinematic mode, you can focus on a moving subject while keeping the background blurred, adding a professional depth effect to your videos. After recording in either portrait or cinematic mode, you can further adjust the focus and blur in the Photos app. Just go to Edit, where you'll find options to tweak the depth and change the focus point, giving you even more control over the final look. If you're looking for even more options, there are third-party apps like Focus and After Focus that allow you to add or enhance focus and blur effects. These apps can give you more control over depth and focus, especially for iPhone models that might not support every feature I mentioned. Thanks for watching. If this helped you capture the perfect shot, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone photography tips. See you later.